Welcome to aminacademy.com. In human anatomy and physiology, let us discuss about function of the spinal cord. Your spinal cord is a tube tissue. It runs from your brain to your lower back. Your spinal cord carries nerve signals from your brain to the rest of our body and back. The signals help you feel sensation, move your body, and keep breathing. Any damage to your spinal cord can affect your movements or functions. What does the spinal cord do? Your spinal cord carries nerve signals from your brain to the rest of your body and back. The signals are electrical messages that help almost carrying in your body work correctly, including controlling your body's movement and functions. Signals from your brain to other body parts let you move when you want to do. They also control involuntary, that is, automatic functions like your heartbeat and heartbeat and breathing. Involuntary functions happen automatically without you thinking about them, reporting senses to your brain. The nerve signals from all over your body help your brain process and feels all of your senses, including pressure and pain. Managing your reflexes. Reflexes are automatic physical responses. The patellar reflex makes your lower leg kick forward when a healthcare provider tapes your shin just below your kneecap. Your spinal cord controls some reflexes without involving your brain. Our spinal cord is like a much more important version of the cable that sends and receives your TV signals instead of transferring data back and forth about your favorite shows and movies. Your spinal cord carries all the messages that help you, your body functions, and stay connected to your brain. Now let us discuss further detail by the function of the spinal cord. It receives after afferent fibers from sensory receptors, controls movement, provide automatic interventions, response for many loop reflexes. It conveys afferent information to higher centers and mediate their controlling influences over spinal mechanism. The spinal cord is primary functions are to transmit nerve signals between the brain and the rest of the body and to coordinate reflexes. It acts as a communication pathway enabling voluntary movement, processing sensory information, and controlling involuntary functions also. Transmission of nerve signals. The spinal cord acts as a vital communication route for nerve signals, relaying information between the brain and the rest of the body. It transmits both sensory information from the body to the brain and motor commands from the brain to the body. Actually, the spinal cord is involved in coordinating reflexes. The spinal cord carries motor commands from the brain to muscles and other body parts, allowing for movement. It also transmits sensory information like touch, pain, temperature from the body back to the brain for processing. These nerve signals are electrical impulses that travels through nerve fibers, axons within the spinal cord. Coordination of reflexes. The spinal cord is a major reflex center, meaning it can initiate automatic responses to stimuli without involving the brain. Some examples include the knee jerk reflexes and withdrawing your hand from your hot objects. Happens through the spinal cords. Reflexes are important for quick reactions to protect the body from injury. Support and protections. The spinal cord is housed with the vertebral column spine, which provides a bony structure for support and protection. Spinal spine also allows for movement, twisting, and bending. The spinal cord is a vital part of the central nervous system responsible for transmitting messages between the brain and the body. It is protected by a combination of bony structure, membranes, and fluid. The vertebrae, the bones of the spine, form a bony canal that encases the spinal cord. Additionally, the spinal cord is cushioned and protected by layers of membranes called meninges and cerebrospinal fluid. Some further details about spinal cord. The spinal cord is divided into different regions: cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacral, and associated with specific parts of the body. The spinal nerves branch out from the spinal cord, connecting it to the peripheral nervous system. These nerves carries sensory and motor information between the spinal cord and various parts of the body. Now, so far we discussed about the function of the spinal cord. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.